Boom guys, welcome again to another video here at DIY Repairs. What have we got? We got an ice maker that is leaking, and look at that. Customers complaining it was up a humming noise. I started looking, I found ice built inside where the fan is located. This is a side-by-side Whirlpool. They're very good, but it's just the ice maker was leaking. Look at the messages. So we're gonna clean it out and we can get rid of all the ice. I got all the back cover already open. And I'm going to use the steamer, get rid of the ice, and we should be good to go. Make sure you follow for more videos, help the channel grow, and I appreciate the support. And I'll see you in the next video, and the best channel here at DIY Repair, where you learn how to do your own thing.